In a world driven by predators and prey, another diet thrives quietly in the shadows and sunlight alike. One fueled by sweetness. Meet the nectarivores, creatures whose lives depend on floral nectar. They are the hummingbirds, certain bats, butterflies, and even moths, tiny sugar addicts vital to life's balance. I'm Venant, and welcome to Stories and Documentaries TV, Wildlife Animals Documentary. Stay until the end, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this nectar-fueled journey through the natural world. A nectarivore is defined as an animal whose primary diet consists of flower nectar and floral resources like pollen or nectar-rich juices. You'll find them in tropical rainforests, montane cloud forests, savannas in bloom, desert oases, and even urban gardens, wherever flowering plants offer their sweet gifts. From tropical hummingbirds in the Americas to long-tongued bats in Asia and Africa, and hawk moths across continents, nectarivores inhabit every flowering realm. To subsist on nectar, nature designed specialized tools. Hummingbirds have extendable tongues with split tips to lap nectar. Nectar-feeding bats possess long tubular snouts and tongues that reach deep into flowers. Some moths have proboscises longer than their bodies. Internally, nectarivores must process huge volumes of sugar with fast metabolisms, high heart rates, and specialized digestive enzymes to break down sucrose, glucose, and fructose. For nectarivores, timing and movement are everything. Many follow daily flower opening cycles, visiting blossoms at dawn or dusk when nectar is richest. Some defend floral territories, hummingbirds chase rivals, others are migratory, tracking seasonal blooms. They use vibrations, pheromones, sounds, or visual signals to communicate territory or mating readiness. Nectar is sugar-rich but low in protein and nutrients. Therefore, many nectarivores supplement with pollen, insects, or tree sap to get amino acids and essential fats. This dual diet helps them survive lean seasons. They play a vital role as pollinators, transferring pollen as they feed, aiding reproduction in flowering plants. Breeding often aligns with peak flowering seasons. Females build nests near abundant plants, laying small clutches, often just 2 tiny eggs for hummingbirds. Young are fed a mixture of nectar and insects to meet high-protein demands. Rapid growth is necessary. Fledging quickly is critical for survival in fragile ecosystems. Nectarivores are keystone species in pollination networks. They enable fruiting and reproduction in many plants, influencing entire ecosystems. But threats loom. Habitat destruction, pesticides, light pollution, and climate change disrupt blooming cycles and food availability. Conservation efforts include protecting floral corridors, planting nectar-rich gardens, and reducing chemical use. Did you know some nectarivores enter torpor at night to conserve energy? Or that certain flowers time nectar flooding to moonlight hours for nocturnal pollinators? Contrary to myth, nectarivores aren't just passive feeders, they shape plant evolution through co-adaptation. The nectarivore's life is sweet, but it is no leisurely path. It's precision, speed, adaptation, and balance. Thank you for joining me on Stories and Documentaries TV, Wildlife Animals Documentary. If you were amazed by these sugary fuelers, subscribe, like, share, and comment which nectarivore you'd love to see next. I'm Venant. Goodbye, and see you again.